I'm going to show you how to make eggplant curry in the Instant Pot. It's a recipe that I found on instantpot.com. The first step is to hit the saute button. Saute one chopped onion and two or three cloves of garlic in some oil. Then I'm going to add a can of diced tomatoes. You can also add regular tomatoes. Mix. And I'm going to add this curry powder. This consists of some salt for flavor, 1 teaspoon each of cumin, curry powder, turmeric, and then 1 tablespoon of coriander. So this will give it that curry flavor. And you want to saute this for another 2 minutes while mixing with the onions and the garlic. I'm gonna add a little bit of cayenne pepper for some seasoning, and you can add just how much you want. It depends if you want it mild, medium, or hot. You can also choose to add the cayenne pepper later to your dish, in case you like it hotter than your family might like it. After sauteing the tomatoes for 2 minutes, I'm going to mix in 1 large eggplant, which has been cut into cubes, just like this. I'm going to add 1 cup of water. This will provide the steam that will pressure cook the whole dish. I'm going to mix it in a little bit. And now I'm going to pressure cook it for 3 minutes. You might not think that's a long time, but this pressure cooking, it really cooks it up a lot. If you cook it any longer than that, you might lose the crispiness. It might become a little too soft or too liquidy. But I'm going to pressure cook this for 3 minutes, and then I'll show you what it's like. And while you're waiting for it to cook, you can do anything. You can clean up, put food in the compost pile, you can play the ukulele, it's awesome. Just a city girl living in a lonely world. She took the midnight train, going anywhere. Oh, it's done. Okay, that was quick. 3 minutes is quick. Once it's done, you want to depressurize the Instant Pot. So here on the Instant Pot Max, I do that with just touchscreen by opening up the venting. So you can see how much pressure was cooking that eggplant curry, and it's releasing all through that. Now, you want to make sure that you keep your hands away from there because you can get scalded. It's not safe. So here's what the eggplant curry looks like at the end. Looks awesome. So here's the eggplant curry, and I'm serving it with basmati rice, which is great with curry dishes. Let's take a little taste of it. That's good. Well, this recipe was super easy thanks to the Instant Pot. You can check out the recipes on instantpot.com. If you like this video, please click like, comment, or subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. And I've got other cooking videos on my cooking playlist, which you might enjoy. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.